In this video, we will show you how to replace your wiper arm on this Lincoln Navigator. The process for one will be the same for either. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Carefully grab onto your wiper arm and lift it up and away from the windshield. Once you have it in the upright position, we're going to start removing the wiper blade. Looking underneath this area, there's a small tab that you can either grab with your finger or a small screwdriver. Give that tab a little tug, and then pull the wiper blade off of the arm. There it is, friends. Now with that off of there, let's carefully rest this up against the windshield. To remove the cap from your wiper arm, we're going to use a small pocket screwdriver. Carefully get in between the wiper arm and the cap. Once you're in between there, you can pry and separate the two. There's our cap. Set that aside. Under that cover, you'll find that you have a 15mm nut. Remove the nut. Now what we need to do is separate the wiper arm from the wiper assembly. To do that, we'll lift up on this and we're going to start wiggling it around. Try to get a little bit of movement from this area. Now we can lift this up and away from the vehicle. There it is, friends. All right, now it's time to install our front wiper arm. When we start putting this into position, it's important to make sure that it aligns with the same area on the windshield as when you had removed it originally. Let's install our mounting nut. Snug it up. Time to install the mounting cap. Now it's time to install the wiper blade. Carefully lift the arm away from the windshield and slide the wiper blade into the lock position. Once you're sure it feels like it's locked in, give it a wiggle to make sure it's secure and gently rest it against the windshield. Okay friends, we've got the truck back together. At this point, go ahead and test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.